one thing stands out here. There's a spike of the volume and this bearish change of character bar that happened right at this resistance level, previous swing high level. This doesn't paint a bullish picture going forward. We talk about the trading range scenarios, or whether it's a straightforward trading range here, or a higher high and then pull back, or have some form of the upsloping. And we still need to see the test of the previous downswing. There's increasing of the supply level, which need to be tested. We need to see whether we get a confirmation of a reversal signal from here on. Because first, this is a resistance level. We hit the resistance level, hover it there, did not go anywhere. Supply is still low. We do not see any increase of the supply until here. This is meaningful supply level, and that comes with bearish results as well. That's why we need to watch out for that. As I cover it in the notes on Friday, the bar show up, I mean a quick note that as long as this level about 52.74 or the low of the bar, which is the last commitment bar to the upside here. As long as this bar is not violated, we still have a chance for it to hover it or forming a localized topping formation. Because sometimes we won't see a straight reversal after this bearish and calving bar, and it will take time for formation, whether it will be a rectangle or whether it's a up transform, another test of the higher high, attract more supply level, something like this, increasing of the supply level, selling right at the top, and then have a huge reversal bar that could kickstart the pullback. It's not necessarily go all the way back to test the swing low, but at least the swing from here could be over. And from a larger perspective, we could be still in this trading range. This is still uptrend, and we have a change of character wave. By far, this is the largest down wave that we have ever seen, and subsequently followed by a rally back up to test the previous swing high level. Comes with decreasing of the volume, suggests that the volume is not that impressive or not that aggressive. It's not the type of the volume that we want to see. And especially if right at the top here, there is an increasing of the supply levels. They're selling at the top, selling at the previous swing high level, selling at the resistance level. That could form this trading range from about 5,000 going all the way to the swing high 5,003. This is the structure that I anticipate. But of course, there are a few more levels below acting as a support. A more meaningful support level will be around 5,200. In case we get a commitment below about 52.68, this is the immediate minor support level. Then we have a breakdown commitment below. We should see going down to test a 5,200, pretty much going into this support zone, 5160 to about 5,200. This is the first target that I anticipate if we get a commitment below 52.68. So far, it is still testing the change of character bar. Everything has changed right here with increasing of the supply level, and attempt to rally up, go back up. It still need to break below and commit below before we call this a temporary top. Otherwise, this could still go up higher. This is the confirmation point, 52.68. And we need to see a commitment and break below the low of this bar. I still with a view that's in this trading range or slightly upsloping type trading range. But long-term wise, there's no change. It's still bullish, and it's big routing structure breaking out. This could be the breaking up process that we are waiting for. It will take time to settle down and might be a few months to form this big trading range. Short-term wise, if we get a break below 52.68, then likely we'll have a downswing heading back to 5200. This is the next support zone that we'll look into. As long as it's not broken, then it could still hover it here and or even attempt to test the high of this bar right there. But so far we have increasing of the supply right at the resistance level, bearish bar show up, and on the breadth also deteriorate. Only a handful of the stocks supporting the cap weighted index. Need to pay attention to a potential reversal, but as long as we still see a decent setup, we can still trade on the setup. If you want to catch my latest videos, click on the subscribe button and the bell right now so that you get instant notification once I upload my latest video. If you want to check out my online courses, go to tradeprecise.com to find out how to profit consistently from any market without using complex indicator or understanding any financial statement, no matter you are trading or investing.